Hi guys, the look that I'm going to do today is inspired by where I'm from, which is Jamaica. It's gonna be green, black, smoky eye with a dash of yellow just to get the whole flag in there. It sounds crazy, but it looks good. I've tried it. Yeah, I've tried it. We're gonna start with my brows. I tweezed my brows last night, so like they look a bit more sharp. So I shouldn't struggle too much like I did. I'm using Revolution brow pomade in the shade dark brown. Come a bit closer. Shadow. That better? Yeah, you can see my brow better now that way. I would just go draw a line at the bottom. Oh yeah, you can see me. It's like you're just talking straight ahead. What's going on? Yeah. Draw a line at the bottom, following the line of the natural brow. Probably can't see a difference, but yeah, I see a difference in person. Then we're just going to do that again at the top. I literally tell anybody that is new to doing their brows, like it's not as hard as you think. Then I'm just going to do hair strokes at the front, or try to anyway. Just going to get my spoolie. Yeah, now you can see. I've been liking this like natural looking brow look recently. I used like when you first learn how to do your brows, or I first got interested in it, let me say. I'm just brushing out my eyes now to evenly distribute it. I was so set that I have to have the Instagram brows. I will add in a picture of myself of how I used to do my brows. Yeah, so you saw it. It was very blocky, very dark, but I felt like I was slaying, so I was, But yeah, no, girl, that wasn't it. Okay, just brushing it out with spoolie. Really how I feel you get the natural look. Because when the spoolie gets involved, you start seeing all your hairs coming through. Yeah, see, it's already starting to look a bit more, well, it's already starting to look a bit more natural looking. And I'll just start the other brow. Done. We're now going to conceal. I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn. Just going to squeeze out a bit and put it onto my concealer brush. I did too much, but it's fine, because what I do anyway is I start quite low so that I don't mess. Okay, that's too high. I don't usually start that high. I start about here where I just put that dot and start gradually building it up until I get to my brow. But I put way too much product. I don't usually put this much concealer on, just an FYI. Yeah, I can't really talk while I'm doing this because then I end up flopping. Okay, that's one brow done. just for argument's sake, yeah, are you one of those people that does your base first or your eyes first? Let me know, because I cannot do my base first. I have to do my eyebrows, then my eyes, all together. With our base now blended in, we're going to begin the eye. Anyway, I've got the C06 Spectrum brush. Find the lid colour I was looking for, and I couldn't find it anywhere but the Jack and Hill palette. So I'm going to be using this colour on my lid. If you don't have this colour, it's fine. You can just do the smoky eye the traditional way with the gel liner and setting it with black and then blending out the colours that way. Or you could just use a black, because it's sort of, when you see it on my eye, and I'm just literally tapping it in. We're going to blend later. Like you see, it's like a black and green. I just wanted to make sure I use green on my lid, because I want it to be a green smoky eye, even though it's Jamaica inspired. You'll see where I use the black a bit later. So we're just tapping it all over the lid, making sure it's as pigmented as we can get it currently. It doesn't really matter too much because we're going to be building and blending it up throughout the whole time we're doing the eye, so it doesn't matter how pigmented it is, but I like it to show up as much as possible first. Now we're going to go into the September Rose Cosmetics palette. Go into the Slush palette, and this sells for $24.99. It has a mirror. Hi. Yeah, this sells for $24.99 if I remember correctly. If that is not the case, I will let you guys know. So I'm just gonna go into the bottom green here, Sour Apple, and we're just gonna do the same thing. And I'll use the mirror from the palette actually, and I'm just gonna layer that colour on top of the colour we have on the lids already. Oh, and I forgot to say, look at it. Oh, it's so beautiful. So beautiful. And the case that it comes in, like it's a little like cardboard case. It looks exactly the same as this. Because I was, you know, scared that it was just a box that looked like this, but it's gorgeous. Okay, that's enough of that. So you see, it's already started to blend into each other, and then we're going to go into Cucumber Lime, which is this colour here. Just dip in there with the B06 brush. The second brush I used came in a multi-pack, so it didn't have a name. It's a Morphe brush. And we're just going to go on the ends. Okay, and then we're going to go back into Cucumber Lime. Yeah, just the right brush. Just to bring it back a little bit, and this time we're not coming in to stamping, we're blending. And then from here, you just build up each colour until you're happy with the blend. Because I want to make sure you can see each colour clearly. Go back into the first colour. This time I'm going to get some... Where did I put the palette? Sis! Go back into this first colour again. One. And we're just going to keep going back and forth with the 3 colours until I'm happy with it. Happy with the blend. Oh, I love it, I love it, I love it. I'm going to do my other eye and my base up off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, that's my base and my other eye done. I'm just going to move into putting on some blush. I'm using the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt in Ginger, Binge and Moscow Mule. As you can see, it's very used. I'm just going to mix the 2 and pop it on as a blush. What's next? What's next? What's next? Ooh, highlight. Okay, for highlight, I am going to use, if I can find my highlighter brush. Yeah, I'm going to use, let's see. I'm going to use the bronze, Artist Couture's Jackie Eyeliner. This is the only, I say only loose highlighter I have, and it's only because it's Jackie, because no ma'am, I wasn't trying to deal with no loose highlighter. So just tap in lightly, shake it off any excess, and then gently start, because it's very intense. Start from the back, I always do, and then build it up. Good on my top. I'm going to use the Morphe lip liner in Bar. Doesn't stop over there. Wow, my hand is dry. This pencil needs sharpening. Yeah, I'm going to have to sharpen it. Okay, and then I'm just gonna get the Makeup Revolution or Revolution X Soft lipstick called Syrup, and just put it right in the middle of my lips. It's looking very 90s right now. Yes, I'm just gonna use Gloss Bomb. I'm now going to do my under eye. I've done this in such a weird order. It doesn't matter how neat you do it, because I'm now going to smoke it out with the original colour we put on the lid, the one from the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm just going to get that colour. Here. And then we're just going to smoke it out. You could leave it like this, to be fair, but I'm extra. So. Pretty! Yeah, that works. So we've now got the black, the green, now we just need the yellow. So dirty. Fenty Beauty Kilowatt in Trophy Wife. Just gonna put that in my inner corner. Like, I know it's more of a greeny kind of gold, but it looks yellow in the inner corner. So that's my yellow. And then we're gonna set. And yes, I know I've forgotten something else. I'm just a mess. Mascara. For this look, I'm not going to put any lashes on. just put mascara on. This is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and hopefully you return. Oh wait, slow motion.